I got these on. We all know what this means when I got these bad boys on. And no, I'm not in the garage. We got ourselves an unboxing. Got ourselves an unboxing. Y'all know what this means, right? Y'all familiar with that? That means Supreme, baby, Supreme. So I already opened it. This is an unboxing to y'all, not an unboxing to me. So I had to cop this. It was about $168. I think $180 with shipping and handling. You know, all the good stuff. So $180. This was from last week's drop, last Thursday. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this video, but I might put it in the description. I'll put it in the description, whatever it is, which week it was and which drop it was. I had to get this because I recently started collecting vinyls. I never had no vinyls my entire life, and recently I started collecting them. So I needed somewhere to keep my vinyls safe. I already got my vinyls in here. But yes, it is the Supreme vinyl case. Let's pull this sucker out. First off, Odyssey on the top. Odyssey, it's an Odyssey case. So let's pull that baby out. She big. She's pretty big. So we're gonna start with the top. Top is pretty decent. I like this. It's that real, like, you know what I'm saying, band style travel case type stuff right here. I rock this. At the top, you got this little handle. I wish it would stay up, but it doesn't. But it's convenient. It goes down. You know what I'm saying? Makes it easy for it not to be sticking up and just, you know, to break off. In the front, Supreme logo, and it's on a plaque. Like, this is a plaque, like some type of plaque in the front. You got this nice little locking design with this little key thing on it. That's pretty dope. The sides, you know, size is what it is. In the back, got a little plaque, a little Odyssey plaque. Pretty dope. In the front, you lift this little tab up and you twist it, and it releases this top piece, and you pull it back. This lid comes off. I see why they made it like that, but it's annoying. I'm not even gonna hold you. It's annoying. But the hood comes off. And inside I have a couple of my records. Pretty good space. I need to make a foam insert because I don't want my record slamming around in here. In here I have Mixtape Pluto. This is the limited edition green version. Mixtape Pluto. And I have G and X, because why not? Hopefully I can get the little signature from the boy himself, you feel me? And this is the limited edition blue one. That thing's sweet right there. So I got those two so far. I was doing some reading, and they claim that this thing can hold up to 70. So I got 68 more to go. Y'all comment down below what y'all think I should put in here. What record should I collect? Like, what do I need? What I necessarily, you know what I'm saying? I want to put the greatest in here. I don't want to put no bull. I want to put the greatest in this crate right here. I want somebody to find this capsule one day and be like, yo, everything in here I can put on my record player and just play it all day. That's what I want. So, thank y'all for tuning in. This was a Supreme vinyl case unboxing from yours truly, Taekwondo. We out.